Hello and welcome once again to Gedi Maro, the podcast जहाँ पे it's all about cars, anything about automobiles and everything on wheels. This is Sid and मेरे साथ में is Shivam. Hello.
हेलो जी, कैसे हो
वाह,
आप?
All good, मजे.
कैसा था आपका पूरा हफ्ता?
मेरा पूरा हफ्ता was very back to back. सब कुछ was lined up, but we finished off. So tick marking जो मैंने अपने to do list के अंदर बनाया हुआ था, it was good. वो
So
जो
very
फीलिंग आती है ना, एक छोटा सा काम भी हो जाता है.
प्रोडक्टिव वीक।
बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब वो जो स्क्रैचिंग इट आउट कि ये वाला काम हो गया
हट गया, हो गया। यस, यस, एग्जैक्टली।
सो इट वाज अ गुड वीक, नो कंप्लेंट्स.
यार
तेरा कैसा था?
हमारा ना पता है वो सीजन होता है राइट
हाँ.
कि अभी अच्छा होएगा, अभी बिजी है, अभी रिलैक्स्ड है।
या
पहले लगा था विंटर होएगी, बहुत बिजी था।
हम्म.
फिर ईद आ गई, बिजी था।
हम्म.
रमजान आ गया, बिजी था। अभी समर के पहले बिजी हो गया। मतलब भाई बख्श दो हमें यार। तो बहुत ज्यादा ही बिजी था।
Good to be busy, I would say.
Well, if you're doing cool stuff such as us, it's good to be busy.
Right. So, talking about cool stuff, what all happened?
In the news,
Hmm.
our iconic car of the UAE, the G-Wagon.
हाँ.
तो Mercedes ने कहा है कि they are launching a resto mod.
Okay.
So they take the new G550 non-AMG
Hmm.
and they've converted to look like the old car
Is
from
it
the
something
80s.
like the Nissan Safari Patrol?
Something like that.
Okay.
So it is a limited edition car
हाँ.
inspired by the G-Wagon from the 80s.
So old shape but new interiors and new
the
engine and everything.
Everything is new
हाँ.
except it looks old.
Okay.
And in fact, even the interiors, they have put fabric seats and all of that. वो
वो फील देने के लिए.
वो check वाले होते हैं ना वो फील देने के लिए.
हाँ.
Only 460 units they are making.
और सारी सोल्ड हो गई हैं.
हो ही जाएगी. But I have a feeling that ये टेस्ट करने के बाद में they might just bring this as a secondary line.
They could and they should. अगर बिकता है तो why not?
Why not? Exactly. Like all the other manufacturers are doing. You want
Correct.
a modern one? Take this. You want something that looks old? Take this.
Very good. What next?
And then they announced the new van, new Mercedes van, the Mercedes van.ea.
Okay.
So electric, obviously, looks spectacular.
Okay.
65-inch screen at the back.
At the back.
At the back.
Okay.
And proper roll-away flat beds. So you can press the button and लेट के सो सकते हो. And Dolby Atmos audio system, I think 42 speakers or something like that.
अच्छा.
So it looks phenomenal. It looks like the futuristic version of what we would see in a van now.
Correct.
वो DC की गाड़ियाँ होती थी पहले.
You know, the Desi in me is saying ये Mercedes की Innova है.
हाँ.
And the Desi in me जो दुबई में रहता है वो कह रहा है कि ये एक 1 bedroom का अपार्टमेंट है. Rather than putting money there, रेंटल के अंदर इसको ले लो और इसी के अंदर आप घूम भी सकते हो फिर.
Stop thinking like a Desi, bro.
Bro, Desi by nature.
हाँ, Desi
Can't
by
really
nature.
help.
हाँ. But
Okay.
it looks cool. The concept is very interesting. I think there will be a lot of demand for it.
And you can customize it, I'm guessing.
I'm 100% sure you will.
Plus minus आप कर सकते हो, permutation combination.
वो Maybach का बैट डाल देंगे उसके ऊपर और बोलेंगे भाई इस पे जो आपको बनाना है बना लो.
हाँ.
As you want to spend money, go for it.
We will give it to you bespoke.
Bespoke, exactly. Okay. Electric and petrol both.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So petrol is obviously they're finding a solution. It was planned as electric car.
Then
and now
they realize, yeah, maybe we'll have one petrol also.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Nice.
So very interesting stuff in terms of Mercedes' lineup.
Right.
But we are seeing a lot of new technology coming up.
So which one is that?
This is the McMurty Spearling. You've seen this
for
car?
Everybody who does not understand and who does not know about the McMurty.
Okay, so this is a very, very small racing car.
जूते का डब्बा है basically, माचिस का डब्बा है. Literally, it's a single seater.
It's single seater.
Yeah.
It was designed for the racetrack. They have now also built a road one. And that car is a rocket ship on wheels. And I genuinely mean a rocket ship. There is no other car that compares to it. By the time you think a regular sports car or hypercar is fast, this is gone. It's gone. Okay. And the downforce that it has is phenomenal because it's got this fan underneath the car and it creates suction. तो वो रोड को चिपक के रहती है literally.
टॉप गियर ने एक बार ही बोला था ना लॉन्ग टाइम बैक कि F1 कार्स हैव सो मच ऑफ डाउनफोर्स कि वो उल्टा भी आप उनको चला सकते हो एंड गाड़ी जो है नीचे नहीं गिरेगी.
नहीं गिरेगी. Correct.
McMurtry actually
Prove
does
that.
that.
They prove that. We'll put the video. They put it on a rig on a test bed and they turned it upside down and the car is on. It doesn't fall down because it stays over there because of the fan.
Yeah.
And it also broke the record for the Top Gear test circuit. दो जो एयरफील्ड पे टॉप गियर में चलाते थे ना गाड़ियाँ
जो स्टिग ने चलाया था.
जो स्टिक चलाता सो दैट इट ब्रोक द रिकॉर्ड फॉर द फास्टेस्ट कार अराउंड दैट वेरी रिसेंटली.
So McMurtry
Sperling.
check it out. It's one of the most fun cars. अगर आप ड्राइव भी नहीं कर रहे हो, you're just looking at the video. It's just fun to see, to watch.
To see how it manages itself around the track. And there's actually a Porsche in one of the videos where there's a Porsche GT3 or a GT3 RS right next to it. And when you see the car, you'll see how flat this is compared to a proper everyday. Talking about records, and because you mentioned Porsche, the Porsche GT3 manual broke the record for the fastest manual car around the Nürburgring.
Recently?
Abhi last week, which is spectacular. I mean, if that car can break records compared to its PDK or automatic rival, it's a proper machine.
आप देख रहे हैं इसका पोर्शा का जो है ना अंदर से हीरोइज्म बाहर निकलता है. He wants Porsche. He loves it. भाई पूरा पोर्शा फैन है.
आई स्वेयर एक वीडियो आया था इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर तो मीम कि वो बंदा पोर्शा के डीलरशिप के बाहर खड़ा है अपनी पोर्शा के साथ में, पोर्शा की टोपी, पोर्शा के जैकेट, पोर्शा के जूते. और वो फिर जूम आउट होता है और वो फोटो है उसके टी शर्ट के ऊपर. और वैसा ही सिचुएशन है हमारा.
That man was Shivam. इसके घर पे कारपेट भी है पोर्शा का.
Actually.
Let's talk about the Rimac.
You know, last year, right, we drove the world's fastest car, the Rimac Navara, which is also the sister company of Bugatti now.
Right.
And the Navara is close to what, 1800 or 1900 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken.
It's pure EV.
Pure EV, and made and designed in Croatia.
Right.
It was fantastic to drive. I mean, just phenomenal. They made a new car. Oh, not a new car. They made an upgraded version of that. The Navara R, which is more track focused. Okay. So it's got more downforce. It's got more tech, better batteries, and just better aerodynamics. If that wasn't enough, they made it better.
उनको लगा यार थोड़ा सा कुछ और. We can do a little bit more.
Little bit
extra.
So you can go see this car at the Supercar Majlis Cafe or SCM Cafe at Vassal Road on Box Park. In Box Park, sorry. So you can go see the car at SCM Cafe at Box Park. Go check it out. It's super fabulous to look at.
उसके साथ में ऐसे खड़े होके फिर अपनी फोटो भी आप ले सकते हैं. और
हाथ मत लगाना गाड़ी को.
Instagram के ऊपर भी आप लगा सकते हैं and you can say wow blessed. #blessed.
हाथ मत लगाना गाड़ी को.
Okay, but talking about these cars which are track focused, there was this Bugatti Bolide,
which is the track version of the Chiron.
Correct.
Right.
So Manny Khoshbin,
yes, car collector,
the car collector,
a real estate developer.
Exactly. So I was going through his Instagram and his YouTube channel, और उसका मैं देख रहा था कि he just received his Bugatti Bolide.
Okay.
And उसने track, obviously he was telling all about the car and everything. And the interesting part which I found was कि he was talking about कि ये गाड़ी जो है it's only track focused. इसको मैं track के ऊपर लेके जाऊँगा and it can do only 37 miles on these tires. 37 miles के बाद में मेरे को ये टायर चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. That wasn't the interesting part. The interesting part was कि full tank of the Bugatti Bolide वो सिर्फ 57 माइल्स तक ही है. सो उसके पहले के मेरा पेट्रोल खत्म हुआ है, मेरे को टायर चेंज करने पड़ेंगे.
टायर खत्म करना पड़ेगा पहले.
टायर चेंज करना पड़ेगा, which is वो चारों टायर का सेट. It costs $8,000.
बस.
That's it. It was like amazing, bro. मतलब this is the kind of life I want.
सस्ती बातें नहीं करो यार.
Absolutely not. I'm there with you, man.
वो $3-4 मिलियन वाली गाड़ी है, उसको आप लेके जाओगे।
हाँ।
बाय द वे, वो गाड़ी लेने के पहले आपको बुगाटी कस्टमर होना पड़ता है, तो यू हैव टू बाय अ कपल ऑफ अदर बुगाटीज बिफोर दैट।
और वो वाली गाड़ी आप रोड के ऊपर में भी नहीं चला सकते।
नहीं नहीं, वो चला सकते हो आप रोड,
बुलेट चला सकते हैं,
बुलेट रोड पे नहीं चला
वही तो
सकते,
बोल रहा हूँ।
पर उसके पहले आपको शेरॉन वेरॉन ये सब लेना पड़ता है।
हम सीधा बुलेट ही लेंगे ब्रो।
नहीं नहीं, वो अलाउड नहीं है भाई।
ब्रो दैट इज द चार्म, दैट
अच्छा
इज द फ्लेक्स।
अच्छा, क्या मैंने बिना
कि
कुछ
हम
देखे
कुछ नहीं लेंगे, हम सीधा बुलेट लेंगे। करेक्ट
But
करेक्ट
I've seen that car in photographs. I've not seen it in person.
राइट।
It looks stunning. I mean,
It is and it just made, मतलब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि this is the kind of life that I want to be in, कि वहाँ पे मेरे को सोचना नहीं पड़ रहा है कि मेरे को पेट्रोल खत्म हो रहा है और मेरे को आगे जाके अभी पेट्रोल डलवाना है अपना।
जनरल मोटर्स ने कहा है कि they want to sell your data from your car to advertisers.
How and what does this mean? Explain please.
It is still ambiguous.
Okay.
However,
Hmm.
I'm assuming that when you're driving on public roads,
Hmm.
जब आप हाईवे पे चला रहे हो गाड़ी from say your home to your office,
Hmm.
so you can mark आपका घर कहाँ है, आपका ऑफिस कहाँ है.
Correct.
That becomes your private space. Maybe say 2 or 3 kilometers away from your house and office, when you're on say a highway,
Hmm.
they will sell that data of what you are doing to advertisers.
Of what you are doing.
Yes. So example, how fast your car is driving, what
Huh.
music are you listening to, are you using navigation or not using navigation, how much toll you're paying, obviously what kind of car you're driving goes with it, and what phone is connected to your car as well, what type of phone.
So
All of
आपको
this,
महंगी वाली एड्स बेचनी है या सस्ती वाली एड्स देनी है, आप Xiaomi यूज कर रहे हैं या आप Apple यूज कर रहे
Correct.
हैं, आपको टीमू से कपड़े मंगाने हैं या फिर आपको Zara वाली एड्स बेचनी है,
exactly
something like that.
something like that.
हाँ.
And अगर आप मस्ती करोगे रास्ते पे,
हाँ.
भगाओगे, लेन तोड़ोगे, ये करोगे, वो करोगे, even that can get reported to your insurance provider, and then they can restructure your insurance premium for the next year.
Okay, interesting point. But I'm thinking कि जो data है, isn't it already being shared with a lot of companies? Can't companies, or are the companies not buying that data, not from the car perspective or the automobile perspective, but from your phones? जो Google का, Facebook का, and all of these guys who are
Correct.
collecting data, literally.
Correct.
Right? So वो वाला, I'm sure the phone is in the car already, and they know कि कहाँ पे किस हिसाब से जा रहे हैं, with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and already synced in. Isn't that already with Apple or with Google, and they are doing all of that?
So take it another form of distribution, right?
Hmm.
एक और लेवल डाल दो उसमें.
Right.
आप 10 चीज बेच रहे हो, 11वां भी आ गया.
हाँ, exactly.
और उससे पैसे बनेंगे.
Correct.
But the point being is that you feel violated, man. You feel like ये क्या हो रहा है?
Because हमको पता चल गया.
हाँ, exactly. उन्होंने पहले भी कर चुके, by the way. इनके ऊपर केस हुआ है in the past.
So now this time they're saying कि हम
हाँ.
करेंगे, आपको अगर ठीक नहीं लग रहा है तो आप वो कुकीज ऑफ कर दो.
हाँ, अभी आप कितनी बार कुकीज ऑफ करते हो?
एक बारी भी नहीं. Accept all.
No, but that is where I don't accept anything. I go and switch off everything. In fact, even मेरे फोन पे जब मैं फोन लेता हूँ ना, मैं बैठ के हर एक चीज का प्राइवेसी, हर ऐप का प्राइवेसी सेटिंग एडजस्ट करके फिर
You're the 10% जो उनको नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ, मैं सबसे बेकार हूँ कि मुझे कोई ऐड नहीं दिखना चाहिए तुम्हारा. मेरे में ऐड ब्लॉकर, पॉपअप ब्लॉकर, जितना भी सुविधा है ना, सब चालू है इसको ब्लॉक करने के
इसकी
लिए.
गाड़ी में आप बैठोगे ना, ये कैसेट सुनता है.
नहीं, मैं
ये Spotify भी नहीं चलाता.
नहीं, मैं
इसके पास वो वाली है जो दबाते और कैसे फक करके ऐसा मुंह करके बाहर निकलती
मेरे
है.
गाड़ी में है.
I know.
मेरे पास
I've
वो
seen
गाड़ी
it.
है, हाँ, और कैसेट भी है उसके अंदर. इनफैक्ट मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूँ कि जितनी भी मैं नई गाड़ियाँ चलाता हूँ ना, मेरे को उतनी पुरानी गाड़ियाँ खरीदनी है.
I agree. It was a vibe. It still is a vibe. And for us who've grown up in that time, it's one of those things that we can't get enough of.
तो पता है मेरी गाड़ी में ना, अभी कैसे नई गाड़ियों में आप चल के जाओगे, दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं, आपको खाली दरवाजा हैंडल खोलना है,
हाँ.
अंदर बैठना है. और अगर ईवी है तो स्टार्ट स्टॉप बटन भी नहीं है, खाली डी में डालो और चलाओ उसको ना. मेरी गाड़ी में बटन भी नहीं है, चाबी डालना पड़ता है, चाबी से खोलना पड़ता है.
अंदर जाओ. different keys for
No,
दरवाजे के लिए,
इतनी पुरानी
एक स्टीयरिंग व्हील को खोलने के लिए, एक डिक्की के लिए अलग वाली.
वो इतनी पुरानी गाड़ी भी नहीं है मेरी. पर एक back in the day, अगर ये जो आप कह रहे हो, if you are old enough to remember that, if
Oh.
not, we will give you all some information कि
Yeah.
पुराने जमाने में हर चीज की अलग चाबी आती थी. ग्लव बॉक्स के लिए, डिक्की के लिए, दरवाजे के लिए, चालू करने के लिए, बोनेट के लिए, हर एक चीज की
स्टेयरिंग का एक लॉक आता था,
अलग.
उसको खींच के हम लोग स्टेयरिंग सिर्फ ताकि टाइट हो जाए अंदर, और उसकी भी अलग चाबी होती थी. सो लिटरली you had minimum to minimum 3 or 4 keys in
Correct.
the key ring.
Key ring, yes.
So yeah, that is why it was called a key ring, not just a key.
एंड अभी तो चाबी की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
अभी तो कार्ड आता है ब्रो.
हाँ, वो हाथ में डाल देते NFC चिप एम्बेड.
Oh, we're pretty old.
हाँ, बुड्ढे हो गए.
नहीं. Okay, so
हाँ.
अब talking about the next generation, Piastri.
अरे यार क्या जीत रहा है यार, क्या जीते जा रहा है.
I told you. मैं
हाँ.
हर एपिसोड में आके याद दिलाऊंगा. I told you. The first race जब हुई थी, I told you. He's the guy to look out.
Guy is superb.
I
Superb.
agree. Well done.
And McLaren is, but you know, again I tell you, I am more impressed by Williams than anybody else.
They are doing well.
They are in top 10, bro.
They are doing well.
Top 10 all the time. I'm like,
Yes.
boss क्या हो रहा है? ये
Yes.
क्या हो गया?
They're doing pretty well. And going by that whole Piastri thing, rumors apparently are saying कि हो सकता है कि Max Verstappen जो हैं,
I read that.
अगले साल he
हाँ.
might just shift to Aston Martin.
$300 million is the contract offered to him. This is
Correct. All
hearsay.
rumors.
Hearsay. But it is the highest ever in Formula One history. Highest ever. $300 million.
So the reason why they're saying that is क्योंकि apparently Adrian Newey is already there in Aston Martin. He is the god of aerodynamics. Plus Lawrence Stroll की जो yacht थी, the mega yacht, वो ऐसे ही किसी ने देखा कि डच कनाल के अंदर क्या कर रही है.
क्या कर रही थी वहाँ?
हाँ. And apparently there is a clause in Verstappen's contract जिसके अंदर they say कि if he does not get a car which is a winning car for that season, so he can shift the next season, and that clause comes into effect from 2025, even though the contract उसका जो है is till 2028 in Red Bull.
तो yacht से क्या connection?
Dutch. He's Dutch. भाई का हो सकता है कोई टीम वाला हो वहां पे, कुछ
अच्छा, तो
बातचीत चल रही हो. I don't know, but they say.
They
All
want to
hearsay.
party on the yacht.
Yeah, can't really say anything, but rumors.
Rumors are rumors until they are not substantiated. We can only speculate.
But it's going to be a fun ride. अगर कुछ भी ऐसा होता है, it's going to be fun to see कि क्या होने वाला है.
By the way, did you see that TV show?
Which one?
It is not a Grand Tour.
No.
You know the Grand Tour, right?
Yes, of course.
They made a new episode.
It is not a grand tour.
It is not a Grand Tour.
I haven't seen that.
So, but well, technically it's not a new episode. It's
Huh.
just an homage to like some
Everything.
parts of their previous
the
episodes.
best, the best of
The
the
best.
best.
Not the best, but some of the cooler, interesting things. It was a fun episode. I watched it. It's not bad.
हाँ.
It's not bad.
Okay.
जाके देखो.
Watch it.
So it's pretty cool.
Amazon Prime आप भी आ सकते हो as a sponsor.
Technically yes.
हमको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
हाँ. हमें शो बना दो यार, हम बनाते हैं देसी शो. हाँ, गेड़ी मारो.
गेड़ी मारो. It will never be a grand tour. You can call us that also.
I like that.
Okay. Now, let's come to the question.
Yes, we have a very interesting question. Now, you know, everyone has a favorite car manufacturer or a preference of where they want to buy the car from, which country they want to buy the car from,
Right.
right? So the question is to you and to the audience is if you had to buy one car, which is your preferential country that you would want to buy a car from? You would say कि हाँ मुझे यही देश की गाड़ी prefer करता हूँ मैं या करती हूँ मैं and I want to buy this.
Right.
What would be that country? Go.
If you had asked this question to me, I would say 15 साल पहले जब मैं इंडिया में था, I would have gone in for a Japanese one.
Okay.
Whether it was a Honda or a Toyota. आज की डेट के अंदर अगर तू मेरे से पूछ रहा है तो I'm currently driving a Jeep, a Wrangler.
Right.
So I would say, and I love the Challenger.
हाँ.
So the
American.
Americans.
हाँ. So you
But
want,
American, not the Mustang, but the Challenger.
but you want a V8.
I want a V8 for sure.
Okay.
For sure, a
So
V8.
he has his priorities very set.
हाँ.
मेरा तो आपको जवाब पता ही है यार.
कीरिंग देखी थी ना, दिखा
हाँ.
दिखा फिर से दिखा.
नहीं बस एक बार काफी है. एक बार काफी है. So
हाँ.
German.
German. Any particular brand or just German?
जर्मन इन प्रेफरेंस, उसमें फिर मैं छाट लूंगा जब जब लेने की बारी आएगी, ऐसा है.
मेरे डैड का होता था.
हाँ.
He always was कि यार एक बारी ना मर्सिडीज होनी चाहिए.
हाँ, वो मेरे डैड का भी ऐसा था. हाँ.
Seriously,
हाँ,
I mean,
seriously, हाँ.
there's some fascination
Yeah,
towards
yeah,
the brand.
towards the
itself.
brand. Yeah, there is 100%. वो पता है, I don't know if you can say this on radio, but I'm going to say it regardless. सरदारों का एक ये है, you know, like they want to grow up and buy a black Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's like their thing. It's
Yeah.
like मेरे को काली Mercedes चाहिए ही चाहिए.
Ludhiana
हाँ.
has the maximum number of S-Class in the world.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
In the world.
No.
हाँ.
Putting that aside, अगर आपको गाड़ी लेनी है, आप कौन से देश की गाड़ी प्रेफर करोगे? जापानीज, साउथ कोरियन, चाइनीज,
नॉर्थ कोरियन? अरे वो गाड़ी बनाते हैं यार, कमाल कर रहा है तू. Why are you being so racist?
हाँ, मैं क्या रेसिस्ट हो रहा हूँ?
तो ऐसे मत देख मेरे को. नॉर्थ कोरिया also?
डीलरशिप तुमने खोली है?
हाँ, नहीं.
इंडियन,
इंडियन,
यूरोपियन या अमेरिकन? आप बताइए हमें कमेंट्स के अंदर कि which one would you like to buy or
and
would you
if
buy?
you're saying के Range Rover and JLR and all of those, that's Indian, huh? That comes टाटा के अंडर.
हाँ, देखा कैसा है ये?
I'm just stating facts, bro.
हाँ.
Anyways, that's it.
Thank you for watching Gedi Maro. See you guys in the next episode.
Take care.
City 1016.